Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi Q3 front bumper. First, gather your tools, including various screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and a friend to assist you. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. Begin by opening the hood and carefully removing the hood release lever. If your Q3 has headlight washers, prepare a small container to catch any fluid when disconnecting those hoses later on. Safety first. Now let's tackle the initial fasteners. Gently release and remove the plastic trim piece situated directly above the radiator grille. It usually pulls upward. Underneath this trim, you will find two screws that secure the upper section of the front bumper. Unscrew these. Next, move to the underside of the vehicle. Here, remove 3 screws and the closing panel. After the panel is off, you will find 4 more screws that need to be removed. Moving to the sides, turn your front wheels to either the left or right to easily access the wheel arches. Within each wheel arch, you will find approximately 4 to 6 screws securing the wheel arch liners. Remove these. Carefully release the front part of the wheel arch extensions by pulling them outward, as they are held by clips. Behind the liners, unscrew 1 screw on each side that attaches the bumper corners to the fenders. Before the final pull, ensure all electrical connections are safely disconnected. This includes wiring for parking sensors, fog lights, and any other auxiliary equipment. If your Audi Q3 has headlight washers, disconnect those hoses, being mindful of any fluid. Now, with a helper, carefully release any remaining clips under the headlights and along the fenders. Once all fasteners and connections are free, gently pull the entire front bumper straight forward and away from the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.